Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turbo a Toyota Camry, updated. Start by checking engine health, compression, and timing. These steps prevent costly failures. Create a clear budget that covers the turbo kit, upgraded fuel injectors, intercooler, and proper tuning. Choose a turbo matched to your power goals and daily drivability needs, and plan for ECU calibration. Always prioritize safety, cooling, and proper tuning to protect the engine. Gather parts before starting to avoid delays and mismatches during installation. Pick a turbo that suits your Camry's engine and desired spool characteristics. Plan for fuel system upgrades like larger injectors and a stronger pump, plus a reliable ECU tune. Add an efficient intercooler, quality downpipe, and upgraded intake piping for consistent airflow and temperature control. Don't forget gaskets, hardware, and oil feed and return lines sized for turbo cooling. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans up metal shavings and dirt while you focus on wrenching, with voice control and smart mapping to save time. It's a handy shop companion that keeps floors tidy and tools visible. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work in clean, organized stages and follow torque specs exactly to reduce leaks and failures. Remove the stock manifold, fit the turbo manifold, and mount the turbo with secure gaskets. Connect oil feed and return lines, and confirm coolant routing if required. Install the intercooler, charge piping, and downpipe, then check all boost control plumbing and vacuum lines. Finish with a professional ECU tune to match fuel, timing, and boost targets for safe performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.